In today's video, we're making a DIY hair growth spray using rosemary. Okay, rosemary is very amazing when it comes to hair growth. So right now I'll be using the dry rosemary, all right, which you can easily get or find in your kitchen, and if you don't have, you can get one in the supermarket or any market in your area. So I measured about 3 tablespoons of rosemary, and this is how the dry rosemary looks like. You can also use the fresh rosemary for rosemary water hair growth spray. Okay, so right now I have my jar. It is already washed and clean. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my rosemary, the dry one. Okay, so if you have the fresh one, you can also use that, and I'll go in with my boiled water. I'll just fill it and I'll cover it up. Yeah, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and keep on watching as I continue with the video. All right, so the next thing I'll do is I'm going to cover this up. All right, this is how it looks like after I finish adding the water, and I'm going to let this stay for 24 hours. You can leave it for less than 24 hours if you want to. So I'll let this stay for 24 hours, which is the next day, and I'll come and show you guys how it looks like. This is the next day, and this is how the water looks like. It is ready because it's already changed color. So the next thing I will do is I will sieve it. Okay, so I shaked it, okay, to get all the nutrients that have settled down on. I will sieve it out, and it is ready for me to spray it on my hair. If you're new here, thank you for clicking. If you're not subscribed up to this point, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button, put it into all, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. 100,000 people use this rosemary water. I am so shocked that what happened next is amazing. They got amazing results, and rosemary is very amazing when it comes to hair growth. It boosts hair growth, it helps to fight against dandruff, it treats scalp issues. If you're having issue with your scalp, rosemary is going to help you treat your scalp issue. It improves your scalp health, it helps to strengthen your hair, gives you thicker hair, fuller hair. It adds shine to your hair and also cleanses your hair and scalp. Right now I'm going to go in with some essential oil. I am using actually rosemary essential oil. You can use any essential oil that you have available. Okay, so this is me here spraying it all over my scalp, and after which I'll go in with some hair creams and shea butter, my DIY shea butter. Okay, and I'll also moisturize my hair with leave-in conditioner and all that. If you watch up to this point, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and keep on watching. You get to start, you know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Give video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.